At a joint press conference on Thursday in Georgetown, President Irfaan Ali said Guyana and Suriname are excited to choose from the shortlisted companies who have submitted expressions of interest to design and construct the Corantijnbrug. While that pens, Guyana and Suriname have agreed that the approach will be one that allows for the designing, building, financing, ownership, and operation model. The two countries have also agreed that a working group would be established to determine the investment and concession package that would accompany the expression of interest.
We both recognize we now need to consolidate actions to choose from the shortlisted companies that have submitted expressions of interest for the construction of this bridge. We have decided that the approach would be a design, build, finance, own, and operate model. Our sides also have agreed that a working group would be established that includes the addition of ministers of finance to determine the investment and concessions package that would accompany expression of interest in securing the financing, building, operating, and ownership of the bridge.
Back in June, 7 months after finalizing the agreement for the construction of a bridge that would connect the two countries, Guyana and Suriname had shortlisted some 8 of 38 companies that have submitted expressions of interest. Those companies were asked for their price offers. The agencies, which have already applied, come from different parts of the world, including the United States of America, China, Spain, Brazil, France, Canada, Japan, Germany, Italy, Trinidad and Tobago, Korea, Guyana, and the Netherlands. The offers are expected no later than September 16, 2021, after which they will be assessed by the Joint Evaluation Committee. President Chandrika Prasad Santokhi said this will take place within the next week.
That is the modality what we want. But finally, we will see the proposals coming from all these people if they are in agreement on the strategy what we want. And then we'll see what their proposals will be, and it come to our table to take proper. And sure, we'll look to the juridical of the proposals which should come on owning the bridge and also the positioning of the bridge on the Corantijn River, which should be very clear as regards the juridical status.
The Corantijn River Bridge, once completed, opens up great possibilities for trade and cross-border cooperation. Meanwhile, Dr. Ali said the two delegations, led by the heads of state, also discussed air and maritime transportation. He said there was agreement on a number of issues raised by the private sector in removing hurdles and impediments to allow for smoother air travel and greater reliability of the ferry service between Guyana and Suriname. President Santokhi assured that the ferry service will return to full service within days following the certification and release of the vessel to ply the route.